Hi there. Welcome back. Today we are going to have a look at how to divide decimals. Here is the first question. 1.24 divided by 0.2. Don't be scared of decimals. Just follow the method we are going to show you here and you will be a pro at it. The first step is to write the question as a fraction. Remember, we can always write any division questions as a fraction. Have a look at the denominator. In this case, it is 0.2. The second step is to get rid of the decimal point in the denominator. To remove the decimal point from 0.2, we would have to multiply it by 10. If you haven't already watched our video on multiply right divide left, we will leave a link in the description for you. So, we multiply the numerator and the denominator both by 10 in this case. Once we do that, our question will look like this. 12.4 divided by 2. The next step is to do long division. In some cases, simple division may be suitable as well. We know that 2 times 6 is 12. 12 take away 12 is 0. The next step is to put the decimal point because there is a decimal point after 12 in the question. We now have 4 remaining in the question. We bring that down to do the next step. 2 times 2 is 4. This will give us the difference as 0. The answer is what we get on the top. Once you have mastered how to divide, you can skip one step like this. Then follow the division to get the answer. Here's the second question. 52.34 divided by 1.3. Remember, we first write that as a fraction. If you look at the denominator, there is one digit after the decimal point. So, we multiply the numerator and denominator with 10. This is to get rid of the decimal point in the denominator. Once we do that, we get the fraction like this. Now we divide. 13 times 4 is 52. The next number is 3. We bring it down for the next step. 3 will not go in 13, so we do 13 times 0. After we put a 0 on the top, we place the decimal point as there is a decimal point after 3 in the question. The next number is 4. We bring the 4 down. Now we have 34 to deal with. 13 times 2 is 26. 34 take away 26 is 8. As we have already put a decimal point in the answer on the top, we can add a 0 after 4 on the top and bring it down. This will make the number 80. 13 times 6 is 78. 80 take away 78 is 2. It would be okay to stop at this stage unless you have been asked to get a longer answer. On the right, U is the method you can follow once you have mastered how to do this. If you look at the denominator in the next question, there are 2 digits after the decimal point in the denominator. So, we multiply both the numerator and denominator with 100. When we divide, 12 will not go in 15. So, we do 15 times 0. This will give us 12 as the remainder. We bring the next number, 4 to make the number 124. 15 times 8 is 120. This will give us 4 as the remainder. We bring the 5 down to make the next number as 45. 15 times 3 is 45. This will give the remainder as 0. We do not stop here. There is one digit in the question and that is 0. So, we have to take that into account as well. We do 0 times 0 and now we have our answer. Please note that we do not get the answer with any decimals in this question. Here are some questions for you to try. Pause the video, take your time and try to solve them. Here are the answers to the question. If you have missed anything, make sure that you have followed all the steps correctly. If needed, rewind the video and watch the examples again. We would love to hear from you. Please let us know if you need help with any particular topic. We would be happy to help. Please share and subscribe for future videos. See you soon. Adios.